Most chambers of commerce, they focus on retail and those types of things in order to promote them and give them a boost. But in Sabetha, because it's unique, because we have so much industry, I got onto the chamber board because I wanted manufacturing to be represented. The chambers kind of struggle to say, how do we help our manufacturers? They're big compared to, like, say, the local drugstore or whatever. So we here at Northwind, we're having our own little miniature manufacturing day. I thought, maybe we should just expand this to the whole community, to have everybody join in on this and make it a community event. And so I went to the chamber and asked if they would like to sponsor that, and they jumped right on it. And when we talked to the other manufacturers in town, they're like, oh, we'd love to do that.
Last year.
I think it's important because we have got such an amazing industrial base in Sabetha, all of Northeast Kansas, honestly. But when you look at the amount of technology and manufacturing that has come out of just our small community, it's huge. I mean, we have got, obviously we have got companies that are international. I mean, we have touched every country in the entire world from our community. Chamber perspective, we thought last year when we were approached about doing this that it is a huge, just a huge thing that we need to get out to let people know that here in Sabetha you can come, you can work, you can raise your family, and it's an amazing place here in Northeast Kansas.